Sarap ng ulam natin ah. Nature na nature ang dating. Eto, parang araw-araw ko na ito kinakain. Maybe 5 a day. Sarap. Dahil ako ay nasa city at ako lang isa namumuhay, ito ang ulam namin ngayon. Pilipinong-Pilipino. At masarap talaga.
Ganito. Yung mga neighbor mo, ang daming
Anong nangyari? Kasi nga, sige, paliwanagan ko raw. If you are in the north, you will not want to fry your dilis in your house. It really is very, very stinky. The smell is very strong kasi everything is covered. Meaning, insulated ng husto ang bahay. Kahit na mag-fan ka, hindi kakayanin. But now that we are here, we can freely fry it and just enjoy the yummy dilis. Ayan o guys, sarap di ba? Sarap. Paulit-ulit na ito, pero ang sarap talaga. Kaming kamyas, para ma-enjoy nyo lang kung anong meron dito sa farm. Ma-entice naman kayong magsabing, gusto ko rin ng may farm ako. Ayan. Eto, salad ito. Hindi pa lang namin nagagawa ng panahon na talagang kainin. Okay? So, we hope one day we will. So, gagawa ako ng salad. I-ano ko lang ito. Hugasan ko na mabuti. Okay na ngayon kasi mataas na siya. Before, I don't do that. Kasi kung when it rains or talsik, and you have to eat it fresh. So now I have the confidence that it's okay to eat it. Kasi matataas na sila. Tsaka the area is quite clean. Okay? Anyway, what I was told that you just have to put your tomatoes, onion, and the regular dressing. I think it's best to have vinegar with olive oil and a little bit of garlic, and off you go. You eat a healthy salad. Okay, Doc? Alright, let me fix my things. Yan na muna tayo sa ating bukiran. Bye, guys! Take care!